What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video. What I got for you guys today, I gotta show you this. Your boy is super hyped. Finally ordered this thing. Finally came in the mail. Let me show you what I'm working with. Your boy is working with this bad boy right here. Look at this. Woo. Let's hop out here to the whip real quick. You already know what it is. This right here is going on the whip. Let's take a look at the whip real quick. So just coming around the back. Car's already cleaned up. This guy right here is gonna sit right here on the back. Sit that down carefully on here. Let's get that lined up. Oh my gosh, boys. Bro, that is looking crazy. Yo, this is looking crazy. Look at this. Look at this real quick, bro. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Bro, I got to get this on the whip. I was going to wait till tomorrow, but we got to get this on the whip tonight. I'm about to call up Shorty real quick so she can come out here real quick, help your boy out. As you guys know, she's just better at eyeballing this stuff than I am. We got to get this on the car because I'm so excited. Bro, this should be a super easy install. It's not going to be a how-to. Honestly, all we really got to do, you saw the front lip video, super easy, but what we got to do for this is right on the bottom of this, we're going to put some 3M. We're going to put some 3M tape on these pieces right here. Pretty much line it up with some masking tape. Bam, slap it on there, boys, and we're good. And we're good to go. Oh, and another thing, Shorty caught me something for my birthday. Let me show you guys real quick. Shorty caught me one of these real quick, bye. So you know when your boy is zooming out there, you know what I'm saying? Says follow me on YouTube, IG, TikTok, Top Chevy. So we gotta throw that on the whip as well. So thank you, Shorty. I really appreciate that. Anyways, I gotta get over to her real quick so we can go ahead and put this on the whip. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm super hyped. This is gonna look so good. You know what I'm saying? And your boy is finally getting that TikTok build. You know what I'm saying? Now, all the BMWs always throw that high lift spoiler on the back of the whip. They also do the front lip, downpipe tune. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start there, but we got some more things coming because, oh man, if you guys can see the wheels that your boy's trying to cop, it's gonna be crazy. I hope you guys are excited. Let's jump into this install. Yo, I know you guys don't know this, but check this out. Your boy's been trying to learn how to play the harmonica. It's lit. Check this, peep this though. Yo, once you learn how to do that beat, you can't stop doing that beat. Yo, peep it one more time. Yeah, that junk is so addicting once you learn how to do that, John. But your boy's trying to learn the harmonica, so let's go. Yo, please excuse the garage, bro. This junk is looking sort of messy in here. Your boy's got to take care of that. But what we got to do is go ahead and throw some of this 3M tape on the back of this. So once again, we're just going to go ahead and line it up. I'm going to put it on this piece right here. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll get back with you guys. That's on there. Bada boom, bada bang. We got that all put on. Now we just gotta go over to the car and make sure we get this thing lined up properly. Masking tape on it. You know what I'm saying? That whole little snafu. All right, before we do that, let's go get Shorty real quick. Babe, you wanna help me with something real quick?
Are you videoing me?
I am videoing. You wanna help me with something real quick? I'm not lying. I just messed with you. This ain't lying. Shorty about to help me real quick, so she's coming out. So we can go ahead and work on this real quick. Get this on the whips. You already know what it is, bro. So all we did now is we pretty much sat this on here as even as possible on both sides. And we're gonna put the tape here. So that way it can hold it in place. Flip it forward, pull the red tape off, sit it back down flat, apply some pressure, and we should be installed. It should be a super easy install. Perfect first mile when you're doing the whips. All right, just so you guys can see a little bit closer up, this is where the tape is sitting. Fine, so Shorty, you wanna go ahead and flip it forward with me? So just real carefully.
That's probably far enough.
And then now what we're gonna do is get underneath there and pull the red off of the tape. You guys didn't know, back in the days, your boy had a WRX, and I blew the engine up, but at the same time I blew the engine up, I had a carbon fiber trunk order for it. with a duck bill spoiler built into it. I spent so much on that, but I actually ended up having to return it because the engine blew out. And the boy had to get his engine fixed. That's a way, way back before I ever had a channel. Flies off on the expressway. Flies off on the expressway. Flies off on the expressway.
Another one.
Put it in.
Looks good. Oh shoot.
Almost clean the mess up. Like that is done. It's on there right now. Thanks, love.
You're welcome.
All right. So your boy's gonna go ahead.
Yeah.
So your boy gonna go ahead and get some final footage of this. You guys want to see what this looks like, cause oh yeah, it looks good. Let's roll out. Woo. Hey, yo, this drum looks so fire. Yo, check this out. Let me show you guys. Bro, this has honestly changed the way the whole car looks like, bro, from the back end, added so much more aggressiveness. Just look at it, bro. Just look at it. Like, I couldn't even ask for much more than that. Like, bro, I definitely want to add a little bit more aggressiveness down here. That's about it, though. As you guys can easily tell, super easy to install, especially when you're doing this thing on your cars. First mods you're trying to do on your whip, this is a super easy one. As you guys can see, super easy. Put some 3M tape on there, go ahead and slap it on the whip. It's gonna go ahead and do what you want it to do. Bro, this looks so much better. Like, so much better. I can't express it. Remember, I'm gonna put all the links for this stuff down in the description below. I know this was a super quick video, but I just wanted to make sure I brought you guys along. I honestly wasn't even planning on putting this on the whip today, but when I saw it, I was like, it's gotta go on, bro. It's gotta go on immediately. Anyways, make sure to check out that video up there because you're gonna wanna see that. And make sure to hit your boy up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss the mods that I'm throwing. Because your boy's thinking about another performance mod, so we're gonna have to get that ordered out. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay.